The world today has discovered its largest water lily. Using a blend of modern science and centuries-old practices, scientists now narrate the journey of uncovering a botanical marvel. Take a look.
Water lilies and lotus are gems of the aquatic world. Both flowers are symbolic in ancient and modern times. They are celebrated for their beauty and have been immortalized in art and religion. Water lilies are a family of over 50 species of freshwater flowering plants. They are native to the temperate and tropical parts of the world. Water lilies provide food for fish and wildlife, but sometimes cause drainage problems because of their rapid growth. Many varieties of water lilies have been developed for ornamental use in garden pools. Now a new species of giant water lily that has been hiding in plain sight has been discovered. Specimens of the new species remained undiscovered at the Botanical Garden for 177 years and in the National Herbarium of Bolivia for 34 years.
Yeah, it's really a stunning plant. You know, I have seen some specimens in Bolivia which are humongous. Here in Kew Garden we have a pad reaching nearly 2 meters 70 width, and we have a record in a garden in Bolivia measuring 3 meters 20. This is more than 8 square meters of leaf. It's just like you could hardly fit 2 pads that size in this pond. It's clearly one of the botanical wonders of the world.
The huge plant has been in the archives of the Royal Botanic Garden in London and has even been growing in a number of aquatic collections. But it was mistakenly identified as another species. Now a detailed scientific study has revealed that it is new to science. Carlos Magdalena worked with scientists from Bolivia, from the National Herbarium of Bolivia, Santa Cruz Botanic Gardens and Public Botanic Garden La Rinconada. He collected some seeds and brought them back to London to plant all 3 giant species of water lily side by side to study their differences. Once the flowers bloomed, they could clearly see the differences. Now the new species also holds the record as the world's largest water lily, with leaves growing more than 3 meters wide.
For 4 years, this new species has been growing in the glasshouse, but because we've been very careful and very methodical about describing it as a new species, we haven't been able to tell the public what they're looking at. And a few people have asked, why does this one look so different from the others? But we've had to say, well, we think it's similar to this or similar to that. So in fact, we've had this wonderful secret hiding in plain sight all this time.
The plant species has been named Victoria Boliviana, in honor of the Bolivian partners in the team and the plant's natural ecosystem, where it grows in a single water basin in part of the Amazon River system. The years of detective work is outlined in a paper in the journal Frontiers in Plant Sciences that was published on Monday. Kew is the only place in the world where all 3 species of the Victoria genus, Amazonica, Crisiana and now Boliviana, can be seen side by side. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.